Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Windirene Abero, 41 years old from the Philippines. I have 2 children. My daughter is 21 and my son is 20. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have work experience abroad. First, in Limassol, Cyprus for almost 6 years, from 2011 to 2017. I work with a family of 5, a couple with 3 children. They are all adults with 2 dogs. My job is to take care of the dogs, cleaning the house, washing the laundry, ironing, gardening, and car washing. But my main job is to take care of the dogs. I cook for them and give them bath. My second job was in the United Arab Emirates for almost 4 years, from 2017 to 2021. I work in a cleaning company, and my job is to clean the house per hour, do ironing, and babysitting. And my previous job was in the Kingdom of Bahrain for almost 2 years, from August 31, 2022 to August 11, 2024. I work with a family of 4, a couple with 2 children, a 3-year-old girl and a newborn baby boy. My job is to take care of the children, cleaning the house, washing the laundry, ironing, and cooking. But my main job is to take care of the children. On my first year working with the family, I was alone doing all the jobs in the house. But then after, my madam and sir, they decided to bring another one for help. So, my job is to take care of the newborn baby boy and to cook for the whole family. Madam and Sir, I am currently here in the Philippines looking for a new employer. I decided to apply in Hong Kong because it has a higher salary for my kids' education and for my parents' medication. Ma'am and Sir, if given a chance to work with you, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities with humbleness and integrity. I believe that the work experiences I gained from my previous employers, I can perform my job efficiently and confidently with utmost respect to the people I will be working with. Madam and Sir, although it's my first time in Hong Kong, I will try my best to do my job very well, because I am a hardworking person, honest, trustworthy, and a fast learner. Madam and Sir, I hope to be in contact with you the soonest possible time. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.